In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon on Wix. If you want to give your website a more polished and professional look. Updating your favicon is a simple but important step. A favicon is the small icon that appears in your browser tab next to your site name, and it helps visitors recognize your website more easily. Before you begin, keep in mind that this feature requires a premium Wix plan connected to a domain. And your site must be published for the favicon to actually appear live. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is where you will manage your website settings and make updates behind the scenes. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section contains the core options for your site, including branding and display settings. From there, select Website Settings. After the page opens, scroll down until you find the favicon section. Depending on whether you already have an icon added, you may see the option to upload a new image or update the current one. Click Upload Image or Update Image if a favicon is already in place. Next, choose the image you want to use. If the image is already available in your Wix media library, you can simply select it there. If not, click Upload Media to add a file directly from your computer. Once you've found the right image, click Choose File or Add to Page depending on the option shown on your screen. It's a good idea to use a clear, simple image that still looks recognizable at a very small size, since favicons are displayed in limited space. After the image has been selected, click Save in the corner to confirm the change. This saves the favicon inside your site settings, but here is one more important step. You will need to publish your website to make the new favicon go live. If you skip publishing, the update may not appear to visitors. Also remember that even after publishing, it can sometimes take a little time for the favicon to appear, depending on browser caching. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or checking again after a short while. And that's it. Thanks for watching.